As a retailer, you understand how important it is to find the right refrigeration equipment to meet your needs. Coolers and freezers must fit your store layout with efficient installation, efficient operation, and outstanding product display. Master-built endless merchandisers deliver on all these points and more for new installations or remodels. As the name Endless implies, you can create a nearly unlimited lineup of doors using single modules of 2, 3, 4, and 5 doors. In fact, you can integrate coolers, freezers, or both into a single line, or if you prefer, use the single modules as standalone cases. Each retailer's situation is unique, so we offer different styles to fit your store plans. Endless models with remote refrigeration systems reduce heat and noise on the sales floor and are preferred in areas where the system may be installed on a rooftop. Models with top-mounted semi-self-contained refrigeration systems are ideal in areas where space is limited and roof access isn't practical. Operational expenses are always a challenge, and Endless merchandisers are built to help reduce costs with long-lasting LED lighting that uses less electricity and helps lower utility bills. Optimized front air curtains that prevent warm, moist air from entering the case during door openings. And wall interiors insulated with polyurethane foam for a consistently cold temperature that holds down energy use. But the most important part about Endless merchandisers is they're designed to help you sell more products with features like high quality, complementary LED lighting, a large product pack-out area for additional facings, and deep shelving that holds more products and saves restocking time. Not to mention, each Endless model has 70-inch tall glass doors for more viewing area. But one of the most impressive features is that 100% of the pack-out space falls within customers' viewable area, so they see all of your products. So if you're looking for a glass door merchandiser that fits your store layout perfectly, offers high-quality, efficient installation and operation, and grabs customer attention instantly, contact us today.